Hey, what's up? Majority of the reason why most people lose out in forex trading and binary trading is because they don't have this self-control, emotional control whenever they are winning or whenever they are losing. So it makes them to, tend to always wipe off their account or wipe out their account when they are not supposed to, and they get out of control emotionally and then end up, draining their account, down and down and down. So you know, there's a solution to that. All right, and the solution to that is binary deriv or binary has incorporated within the account that most person does not know, have incorporated within the account a self restriction that give you an opportunity to restrict yourself each time you get a certain level of profit, or each time you get a certain level of loss. All right, because when you get that certain level of profit or loss, the what is required is, like, most persons set a goal, let's say a goal to get a $10 daily, and at the end of the day when they get that $10, they tend to get overexcited and still continue with the market. And when they continue with the market, market, it will wound you, like it will give you injury if you're not careful. They end up draining both their profit $10 and then draining the entire account, and that's not supposed to be so. So what this helps you to do is it helps you to maintain that set goal, and then if you want to set a loss restriction, it helps you to maintain that. So let's just check it out. Let me just show you how it all works and how to set it up within your account so that you don't keep draining and burning your account down. All right. Yeah, how do they call it? Is it burning account? Yeah, you don't keep burning your account down over and over and over, so you get some level of restriction when it comes to losses or even gains. So let's just check it out. This is what All right, so let me use this account that is not useful to do this tutorial for you guys. All right, I'm also logged on here. Now on DERIV, where you have to go to is just go to click on this icon right here, manage account settings, and then you click on go to self exclusion. Now you see your stake and loss limit. All right, so here now you can set your maximum loss. Let's say I set my maximum loss to be $100. Now any single day that I've lost up to $100, the account, I won't be able to trade again. That's within 24 hours. I won't be able, no matter what, I will not be able to trade again. Or I set my maximum trading loss to be $100 for within 7 days. In 7 days, if this account have lost, I cannot lose. All right, if this account have lost up to $100, it won't trade again. It will just hold on till the next 24 hours, till the next 7 days before you can be able to perform trade on this account. Same thing within the 30 days. So most likely you're going to be using the 24 hours, lot size or stop loss. All right, so this is just like a general account stop loss within 24 hours. So once you get to that certain loss level, you won't be able to trade again. So if you scroll down here, you see session limit. You can limit yourself from accessing the platform, and then if you scroll down, you see maximum account balance and open position. All right, you can state the number of open position and the maximum account balance. Then if we click next, we'll see another thing here. Okay, so if I click next now, if I accept this now, this thing will be taken into consideration, but I ain't accepting that, and then I'm not accepting that. All right, so if you're talking about the binary section side, you have to go to setting, security, then self exclusion. Now you can see on binary self exclusion, you can see the way it is. For me, this one is a bit much more
at least it looks much more iterated, all right, much more precise. All right, you can enter the maximum account balance, let's say $11,000. You can choose the daily turnover, the maximum daily turnover, and then just the same thing that we've explained from the other end. All right, for 7 days, 30 days, you can choose the maximum daily losses. Like if I said, okay, this account should, if it eventually lost up to $30, you should stop. But one thing you have to notice, if you set the maximum account loss to be $30, to be $100, you cannot set beyond again. All right, if you set the maximum account to be let's say maximum loss to be $100, you cannot set beyond again. If there is anything that must happen, it's either you are reducing it, either you can always set below, but you can't set beyond again. The only way you can remove this restriction is by contacting customer care, and DERIV have provided such an easy option where you can use this live chat button right here, and then be able to just contact customer care, and then they will respond to you and remove it as soon as possible. Before now, you have to email, and the setting will be removed. It will take effect within the 24 hours. But with the new DERIV and customer care option right now, which is also here, you could just remove it within a couple of 30 minutes or so. Then if you scroll down here, you see maximum section 2, and then the maximum turnover is the maximum profit that you are ready to accept for that day, and then you are done. All right, so that's how to just create a kind of self restriction for yourself, and then prevent this addictive kind of trading, that can make you blow your account. So let me know if this video was helpful. Please like this video if you have gotten to this point, and I congratulate you. Or subscribe to my channel, and then share my video to as much person as possible. So thank you for watching.